How to delete Instagram message from both sides. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Instagram messages from both sides. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and simply tap on the message icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, you can select the conversation that you want to edit. For example, let me send a quick message to this person. And if you regret sending the message and want to remove it from both your chat and the other person's chat, then you need to act quickly. Keep in mind that if they have already seen the message, you can't erase. So now, to do this, simply tap and hold the message and you will see two options: delete for you and unsend. If you want to choose unsend, the message will disappear completely from both your chats and theirs, making it invisible for both parties. And another option is to edit the message within 15 minutes. You could change it to something neutral like oops, never mind, if you prefer to leave a message rather than unsend it entirely. Remember, you can only unsend messages that you have sent. If someone else have sent you a message, then you won't have the option to unsend it. But however, you can simply tap and hold the message and simply select delete for you, which will remove it from your view and it will still remain in their chat. And if you want to start fresh with a specific person, you can also delete the entire conversation. To do that, simply go back to the list of chats and simply tap and hold on the chat, and from there a pop-up menu will appear. Simply tap on delete and this will erase the chat from your inbox. But keep in mind that the other person will still have the conversation in their message unless they also delete it. And with this, if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.